वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। तो आज का जो हमारा ये वीडियो है वो है एक प्रैक्टिकल फ़ाइल पर बेस्ड जो कि हमने बीएड के टाइम पे बनाया था। तो सबसे पहले हम इस प्रैक्टिकल फ़ाइल में लिखते हैं इंडेक्स। इंडेक्स में हम 3 कॉलम में डिवाइड करते हैं। पहले में है सीरियल नंबर, दूसरे में है टाइटल, तीसरे में है पेज नंबर। तो पहला है डिटेल ऑफ द रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट, सेकेंड है प्रॉब्लम, कॉज ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स। इस तरह से हमारा जो पूरा इंडेक्स है वो बनेगा। उसके बाद पहला हमारा पेज आता है डिटेल्स ऑफ रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट केस। ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन साइंस एंड बायोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स लैक टू बिकम एन आइडियल स्टूडेंट। फिर यहाँ पे हम लोग नेम ऑफ स्कूल, क्लास, ये सब कुछ मेंशन करेंगे। आप देख सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा पॉज करके आप इसको रोक करके आप लिख सकते हैं जो भी आपको लिखना है। उसके बाद हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाएगी। जैसे मैंने यहाँ लिखा आई माई नेम the student teacher have been teaching science to the class students of class 8 for the last few days, but student indifferent attitude toward the subject of science remained. For example, students walking out of the science bell class or have some pretest. Causes of problem: science class after midday, age group variation, personal differences, emotional discrimination, physical defects, lack of intellectual abilities, and seventh is family rituals. अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं और अब तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो मेक श्योर कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और ऐसी ही आने वाली अमेजिंग वीडियोस के लिए जो कि आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहेंगी उनको पाने के लिए नोटिफिकेशन बटन को भी हिट कर दें। उसके बाद हमारा फोर्थ रहेगा टॉपिक स्कोप ऑफ रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट। अंडर द रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट ओनली द एरियाज रिलेटेड टू द स्कूल कम्स विच आर सॉल्व बाय द टीचर्स लाइक students not completing homework on time, student lack interest in reading and studying science, lack of discipline, differences in age, variation in intellectual abilities। इस तरीके से हम पूरा एक पेज लिखेंगे। उसके बाद हमारा आएगा ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट। तो पहला है रिसर्च वर्क्स कैन बी डन टू सॉल्व द डे टू डे प्रॉब्लम्स इन एजुकेशन। इट डेवलप्स scientific attitude in teachers and students, develops innovative method of teaching and learning. The curiosities generated in the mind of the students toward the subject can be satisfied, practical problems are solved, intellectual development of the person is done through research। उसके बाद हमारा सिक्स जो पॉइंट है वो है implementation of research project to solve the presented problem. The following work view was done by a student teacher. I took suggestion from the principal and teachers of the schools. Use that suggestions in explanation and demonstration method. Students were taught through teaching aids. Students were motivated to attend school. Interests were generated in the students toward the subject. Defects related to personal discrimination among students were removed. I have should solve the problems of the student according to my own opinion. That is way that they study as well as inculcate in the device of the student। उसके बाद 7 पॉइंट है टैबुलेशन, सीरियल नंबर, टेस्ट स्कोर, क्लास ए, क्लास बी, प्री टेस्ट स्कोर्स, difference test scores and differences. I found this differences after testing class A got 6 and class 8B got 8. After doing second test, it was found class A got 8 and class B got 6. So we can see that there is an increase of 1% in the first test and 2% increase in the second test. Then we will write the eighth point, that is reference books, science and biology test books, teaching and learning materials, achievement test, intelligence test, research project outlines. And then we go write research project outline, the ninth number. फिर भी कॉलम में डिवाइड करेंगे सीरियल नंबर, डेट, एक्टिविटी, मेथड्स। तो सीरियल नंबर 1 रहेगा एक्टिविटी है टू नो दैट द स्टूडेंट इंटरेस्ट एंड अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स। Method has self efforts and resource has study. Second, improvement in teaching method by other teachers and study. Number of students in the class. Method है calculation and resource है self inspection. Fourth है fixed number of student in a day. Method है thought and resource है study. Aptitude test, self effort and personal interview. तो इस तरीके से हमारा जो 9th पॉइंट है वो भी कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। And then we will move forward to the 10th point, that is benefits of research project, the teacher identifies the immediate problems and thinks that about the solution. It is based on psychological method. Teacher get acquainted with the research work. The level of student increases. Research develops many innovative procedures and products. Research being tolerance and subtlety to diverse aspects of knowledge. And then we will write the 9 11 the conclusion. पूरा जो हमारा है पॉइंट उसको हम कंक्लूड कैसे करेंगे. Hence, hence the research project also gave knowledge of the interest of the students and the problem related to their subjects. After that, the cause of problems were found out, they were readdressed, and the objective were determined and implemented for research. After all these works, tabulation was also arranged for the evaluation of the students so that it was be known that by the what percent these there was an increase in their pretest and intertest, and several methods of testing were adopted. Many reference books were also made available for research, and planning was also done for the research project and its implementation. In this way, many benefits of the research scheme were obtained. तो इसी के साथ हमारा जो ये कंक्लूजन है वो फिनिश हो जाता है.